out my winter hell. I've got candles and candy, I can be your daddy if you only let me creep into your prison cell. Hey baby, can you tell I'm not a criminal? Your choice is seminal. I want you, do what's right for you, no matter who or when or what will others say. Just find your way and try to stay.
Thanks to Indy Ridge for sponsoring this entire Shovelhead series, and huge thanks to Parker at Shed Cycle for being the mastermind behind this entire build and concepting it and doing all the hard work and all the late hours. So go check out his Instagram at Shed Cycle. I'll put a link in the description. Give him a follow to thank him. And also check out Indy Ridge via the link in my description, because they just released their version 3 of their Phoenix boot. It's this boot right here that is a motorcycle boot with all the reinforcement and protection you need, but has that really clean silhouette that almost looks like a sneaker, a high top sneaker. And in full disclosure, I have consulted with this brand, just wanted to let you guys know. And I'm just a huge fan of this brand, because the owner, Steve, he's on this endless pursuit of constantly improving the designs and going above and beyond with customer service. It's a really cool company. So thanks again to Indy Ridge for sponsoring this whole series, and thanks to Shed Cycle for being the mastermind behind this. And thank you guys for watching. See ya.